Chair, chair. The handmade wooden chair has been in my family since my grandfather built it. Chalk, chalk. The manager is writing a new message on the chalkboard with a piece of chalk. Children, children. The children are out playing games at the field. Clouds, clouds. There are more clouds in the sky than earlier this morning. I think there might be some rain on the way. Countryside, countryside. It was relaxing to get out into the countryside and spend some time away from the city for a bit. Crocodile, crocodile. The ranger at the zoo holds the baby crocodile. Cupboard, cupboard. The kitchen has a lot of cupboard space for storing things like pots, pans, and long-life food. Desk, desk. The desk I work at has my laptop, some plants, and a lamp in case I need to work at night. Drink, drink. 4 zebras drink water from the river. Drum, drum. A person is using their hands to play music on a drum. Fire engine, fire engine. The fire engine was out and ready to leave at a moment's notice. Jumper, jumper. The woman wears a woolen jumper over her shirt to help keep herself warm. Living room, living room. The family spends a lot of time in the living room. Mostly it's watching the TV or just sitting on the couch reading a good book. Octopus, octopus. The octopus is swimming along the bottom of the ocean. Padlock, padlock. A padlock can be used to join ends of a chain to secure items like a bike. People, people. Lots of people go to the swimming pool on hot days. Pig, pig. The pig has gone for a swim in the ocean and a bird has landed on its back. Quarter, quarter. It was nearly time to get another drink. One glass was empty and the other was only a quarter full. Rain, rain. The walk was cut short when we got caught in the rain and had to run back to the cabin. Shell, shell. I saw an interesting shell on my walk at the beach. Signal, signal. The woman put a hand up to signal she wants to ride in a taxi. Surf, surf. When the waves were big, people would often go out and surf on them. Tractor, tractor. The farmer has a tractor on the farm because it's flexible and can do a variety of jobs. Zebra, zebra. A zebra is standing on the plain.